Well, good evening, Rutgers. Tyler Case here in the WeatherWatcher studio with your Saturday evening WeatherWatcher edition for December 21st, 2013. If you were out and about at all today, you would have noticed that it was quite warm, and we actually did break the record for today. High of 66 out in Rutgers Gardens today. Previous record was 64 all the way back 90 years ago in 1923. Average 41 just blew that out of the water. 53 degrees for that low today, so nowhere near our average 29, and definitely nowhere near that low of -3 for that record. Sunrise, sunset times down there at the bottom of your screen. Now, this warming trend is going to continue through Monday, and that's sort of going to cap things off when we're going to go back to normal for a little bit. We'll see some rain tomorrow, could start tonight even, but that will definitely intensify into tomorrow night, and Monday it's looking like it's going to be quite wet. So if you're going to be out on that last day of finals, you will want to have a jacket or an umbrella handy. Christmas, as of right now, a little premature, but it is looking like it's going to be clear, sunny, but on the cool side, so the high somewhere in the upper 20s, maybe even the low 30s. Now, around the region for today, these are the highs for today, so you can see quite warm. 55 up there in Hartford, 63 in Newark, 68 in Camden, 71 degrees down there in Baltimore, so really on the warm side. So you head south, and then 50s inland, 53 up there in State College, and 50 degrees in Albany, New York. Tonight, not going to go much lower than that. 49 degrees in Hartford, 45 in Newark, 57 in Camden, 63 in Baltimore, not even hitting the 50s down there. Then we'll be 48 in State College and 44 up there in Albany. That's our cool spot for today. Now, if you're wondering why we are so warm right now, we do have high pressure centered just to our south, and then the jet stream moving up to the northeast just like this to our west, and that is funneling this warm air down from the south off the Gulf of Mexico and the coast of Florida, and just keeping things really pleasant right now, depending on what you consider pleasant. I consider it quite warm, and that's quite nice to be in. But I would like to point out this low pressure system sitting over Oklahoma right now. That is going to make its way eastward. Leading edge should move through tonight on into tomorrow morning. That's going to give us some slight chances, some showers, and the bulk of it moves through tomorrow night into Monday, and that's when we're really starting to see the precipitation come into play. So if you're going to be out at all tonight, things will be quite mild. 52 to start off at 6 p.m., partly cloudy skies. 9 p.m., 50 degrees, and then we'll go back up to 51 degrees. Slight chances of a stray shower around midnight if you're going to be out at all around that time tonight. Low will be 51 degrees. Could see some light showers, and that is going to turn into some very light AM rain. Winds will be out of the south at 13 miles per hour, so you'll probably want a rain slicker and a windbreaker just in case. And then on into tomorrow, we'll start to see 64 degrees, light and moderate rain. Will start to move into the area, and that's when things are really going to start to progress on into Sunday evening. Winds will be out of the south again at 13 miles per hour. And as I take a step out of your extended forecast, you can see chances of rain for tomorrow and Monday. High of 64 for tomorrow, and then down into the 50s on Monday. Back to normal into the 30s and the low 20s for Tuesday and Wednesday. Back up to the 40s for Thursday. Low of 54 for tomorrow evening, and then a low of 30 for Monday, and then those lows will drop back into the teens for Tuesday, and then back up into the mid to upper 20s for Wednesday and Thursday, the latter half of the week after everyone has moved on from those last day of finals. Now, if you've missed us, you can check us out at RUTV Channel 6 every 15 minutes. We're also on Facebook. Our page is RU WeatherWatcher. If you use Twitter, you can tweet us at RUTVWW, and you can always find us online at rutv.rutgers.edu. I'm Tyler Case. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy holidays, and have a fantastic break.